Kasama ko na po ngayon si Carol at si Dino Carganilla. Love is in the air, guys! The flight attendant couple. Good morning and welcome to Kada Umaga.
Good morning, Pia.
Buti walang biyahe.
Actually, kararating lang. A day ago.
A day ago?
Yeah.
Where did you guys come from?
Ako from New York.
New York?
Yes.
And then you, Dino?
Wala, day off.
A day
Day
off.
off,
So, hindi pa kayo nagkakasabay ng day off nito? Ganyan ba yan?
Sometimes,
You're both still working. You're very active as
Yes.
flight attendants still up to
Right,
now.
yeah.
But you don't work for the same airline?
Same airline.
Same airline.
Yeah.
Pero magkaiba kayo ng biyahe.
Sometimes, kasi meron ding times na pwede kaming mag-bid for our schedule. So, once
okay.
a
Para
month.
magkasabay kayo.
Yes,
Pwede.
para magkasabay.
Oo, kasi kanina pinag-uusapan namin ng staff kanina. Parang ang saya, no? Para kayong laging nakabakasyon kung sabay kayo ng flight. Pero
Right.
hindi naman pala to lagi nangyayari.
Hindi palagi.
Oo. So, your lives talaga are very much intertwined with your being flight attendant.
Yes.
Right.
Diba?
Yes,
Because your love story started there. You met
Right.
there.
Yes.
Oo. You met on a flight to London.
Right.
Yes?
Oo, yes.
That was the first time you saw each other.
Yes, actually.
Oo.
Nung before the flight, nakita ko na siya actually doon lang sa office. Pero hindi pa kami nagkausap.
Oo.
First time yun.
Oo.
And then, ayun, nag-start sa flight na.
Nasa flight, nasa aeroplano talaga.
Sa aeroplano
Kayo,
talaga.
was that the first time you noticed her, Dino?
First time yun. First time, oo.
And does this happen a lot
No.
to you
No,
guys? Na
hindi.
parang meron kayo
No.
napapansin na, uy, may cutie pie, may cutie sa flight. Does that happen?
Kasi every flight, iba-ibang makakalipad namin eh.
Oo, iba-ibang kasama.
Crew,
Yes.
yes.
So,
Okay, so as much as possible, if you find someone cute, iwan mo na lang doon. Kasi baka hindi na kayo magkita ulit. Ganun ba yun?
yes, like, for example, yung iba naming mga kasama, after 10 years, doon ko pa lang sila makakasama sa flight.
Ay.
Ganon kasi kami kadami din.
Ganun kadami.
Ganun katindi yung rotation.
Right, oo. Sa dami rin ng flights.
Oo, Dino, what was your first reaction when you saw Carol on that fateful flight to London?
Natakot ako kasi senior sa akin si Carol eh. Oo.
Okay. Pero na-notice mo siya cute and then after that,
Tahimik lang siya eh.
oo, natakot ka na agad
And then
kasi nalaman mo, oops,
Then
superior.
nakita ko siya how she served the passengers, tas maalaga siya sa mga bata. Kasi ito sa Europe flight.
Oo.
So, may mga mommies with babies, gano'n. Uy, pwede pala to maging mommy.
Ganun ang kanya naisip mo? Grabe advance!
Advance ka agad eh.
But why? Were you looking for something? Were you looking for someone at that point, Dino?
That time I was.
You were.
I did.
Kaya talagang, yun talaga yung pumasok. Uy, maalaga sa mga bata. Ting! Check.
Kasi mahirap sa
Ano
work
pa?
namin.
Ano pa yung na-notice mo bukod sa maalaga sa bata? What went into your mind?
Nagbabaon kasi kami ng food.
Okay.
Or we buy sa grocery. And then dun sa hotel that time, long time ago sa London, may kitchen. So, we can cook. Ang galing siya magluto.
So you mean to tell me all the flight attendants go to one place? Ganun ba yan?
Sa hotel namin,
Minsan
may
kasi meron yung get-together kami.
Get-together.
Yun, oo.
We share.
Yes, we
Yeah.
share food, ganon.
Parang may tayang hotel room. Ganun ba yun? Or service apartment?
Yeah, sometimes
Parang,
merong crew lounge. They call it crew lounge. So,
And then
for
you guys
us,
bring your baons there.
Yes.
bibili
Tapos
sa
may
grocery.
baon ka. Naalala mo ba kung anong binaon mo?
Parang wala yata akong binaon.
Meron. Nagluto ka ng adobo.
Ay, nagluto
Ay.
ng adobo! Talagang
Ang galing
true to
ah.
stomach.
Ang galing talaga. Naalala pa niya.
Oo, kasi Kapampangan si Carol. Magaling
Yes, I'm
magluto.
Kapampangan. Right. Oo.
So nakadagdag yon bukod sa
Oo.
you found her very attractive. Ano ba yung naisip mo? Cute? What was the adjective that entered your head when you first saw her? Cute,
Conservative.
beautiful. Conservative?
Actually, conservative ako.
Oo.
Hindi ako bumingin
Did you give him the time of day the first time you saw him? Na-notice mo ba siya nagpapakyut?
Yeah, sa flight pa lang. Pero, ano ako medyo mataray.
Manang ka talaga. Parang si
Manang
Emma.
talaga
manang.
ako. Oo,
Ay, hindi pala Emma. Si Diana pala yung manang. Whether you believe it or not. So, ayaw mo. Not looking for anything ka kasi.
Yeah, tsaka parang that time, di ko pa siya talaga, parang, wala, siguro hindi lang ako ready or something.
Hindi ka pa ready.
Yes.
Oo, talaga nakafocus ka sa career.
Right, oo.
So, kailan mo siya na-notice?
Na-notice ko siya, nabigla ako. Actually, nung na-retrench kami from...
Sa isang airline?
Oo, sa isang airline.
Nung
Nangyari,
2014?
yes.
Oo.
Nangyari,
1998,
1998.
sorry.
Nangyari is, napunta pala siya sa States. Ako naman, dito lang ako sa Manila. And then, after siguro a year, biglang tinawagan kami ng airline.
Okay.
Pinabalik ako.
Okay.
Before ako nakabalik, biglang may nakita akong message ko.
Email.
Email, oo. Before AOL pa mga Friendster
AOL
pa,
pa,
wala pang
oo.
Facebook and everything. Tapos, pagkita ko, akala ko, sino to? Sabi ko, bakit bigla akong sinendan ng,
Email, ng
email
Christmas-
and
ng
Christmas
card.
card. Yes. Tapos nun,
Okay.
ayun na. Then, biglang siguro nakita niya ako naka-online. Then na nag-start, nag-chat.
Nag-chat.
Oo.
1998 yung nagkaroon ng retrenchment.
Yes, 1998 yun.
So, between the time na nagkatrabaho kayo nung 1994 and then 1998, wala kayong communication?
Wala. Kasi 1997 kami nagkalipad. And then after that, wala na. Parang sometimes we see each other sa office. Then hi, hello. Then yung mga barkada namin kasi, halos magkakakilala. So, kuminsan nakakalabas kami ng magkakasama.
Oo nga.
With the barkada.
Ni chaperon siya.
Lagi nga daw kayong tinutukso together. Bakit?
Yes.
What did they see? Kung bakit tinutukso kayo?
Bakit nga ba?
Pagka may layover, kayo ba yung lagi magkasama?
Ay,
Or-
hindi rin. Once lang yon.
They must have seen something. Ano ba, Dino?
With that time, may mga pinapartner sa akin. Kasi wala talaga. I was with nobody. Wala talaga.
Oo.
And then, yung friends niya, mga flight attendants din, was helping out. So, Kai, hanapan ka namin ng boyfriend. Ganyan.
Sineset up ka nila kay Carol.
Oo, sort of.
But did you actually do anything about it? You had a crush on her? You liked her adobo? Pinursue mo ba actively? Or you just let matters, ha?
Naputol kasi nung
Naputol.
retrenchment.
Oo.
Oo, kasi umalis nga siya. Iba na ng States.
So you never made any moves na in between?
Wala
Until...
talaga.
I had to pack up and go back home to Cebu.
Oo.
Kasi wala na, nothing from me here in Manila na eh.
Tapos kailan ka nagkaroon ng opportunity to show yun lang when you emailed her? Bakit mo siya biglang in-email out of the blue?
I had no way of calling her di ba? Was in the States.
That was the time kasi na,
Oo.
di ba, na-recall na kami. And then siya, sabi niya, "Hoy, bumalik ka na pala sa airline." And then, sabi niya, "Ay, gusto ko na rin bumalik." Sabi niya. So, yun. Gumawa siya ng paraan.
Did you want to come back because of Carol, or you wanted to come back because you just wanted to work in that airline again?
Nung una, paano ba sabihin? Nung una, kasi wala akong stable job sa States eh. Babantay ko ng matanda, nag-housekeeper ako.
Sa States?
Sa States, oo. But then, sabi nga ng mga cousins ko na stay here because there's nothing for you left anymore sa Philippines. And then, nabalitaan namin through email na nagtawag na.
Oo.
So the first person came to mind sa akin is si Carol. Pero wala kaming number, wala. Nothing. Hinanap ko ang email niya, hinanap ko. Hinanap ko. And then buti na lang, bilang sumagot siya. Sabi ko, bahala na kung sasagot pa ito o hindi. Then nagka-communicate ulit kami nun.
What was your intention? Your intention was to pick up from the naudlot na crush.
Yes.
Yes!
Yes.
After how long?
2 years?
After 2 years.
two-
Talagang
two
sabi
years.
mo, ay, baka ito na yung chance
2
ko.
years.
Ganun talaga?
2 years.
Wow! So in between, during the 2 years, wala ka talagang naging crush na iba?
Wala. Trabaho. It was trabaho. Kasi if you remember 1998, it was Asian crisis eh.
Oo.
It was really, hard for us. And then, salamat sa Diyos. Ano naman?
So you went back to the same airline. Nagkasama ba agad-agad kayo in one flight?
No.
Hindi.
Hindi pa. Kasi nauna akong bumalik eh. So, yung mga lipad ko noon, domestic pa eh.
Oo.
Domestic muna kami, then international. Anyways, nung nag-training siya, doon medyo nagkaroon kami ng communication, kuminsan sabay. So yun, doon nag-start talaga.
Yung training.
Oo.
Sa training.
Yung training niya.
Humingi ako ng tulong sa kanya.
Oo.
Para bang puntahan lang niya ako.
Totoong tulong to
Totoong
or
tulong.
tulong?
Oo.
Humingi na
Then
or style.
Parang ganun na rin. Kasi
Style.
mahirap. Oo.
So, and then you saw him in a different light?
Ay, yeah, nag-iba. Kasi si Dino kasi sweet eh.
Okay.
Yung tipong pag nag-hi, hello, parang alam mo yon, yung parang matutunaw ka sa tingin niya.
Siya, tutunaw siya.
Paano? What was your plan of action this time, Dino? Para hindi na talaga makawala si Carol.
Inahabol ko
You
yung
really
schedule
turned
niya.
on the charm na talaga. Wala na tong
Lahat, lahat. As in, one time, chinek ako ng doctor sa medical namin. Then sabi nung doctor na, uy, overweight ka. Sabi ko, Doc, wala akong alam kung paano
Pababain.
pababain. So, tawag ko sa kanya. So, sinamahan niya ako. Hanap kami ng gamot. Yung pinapanat ng
yun.
gamot ng doctor. Tapos a few days after, tawag naman ako sa kanya, may exam. Hindi ko alam kung paano to. Kasi ang kapal ng mga
Yun yung
manuals.
way
Dati
niya.
manuals pa eh. Wala pa yung mga social media
Yung
eh.
way niya. So parang
isisaw na
nafe-feel
siya.
ko na rin.
Ayun. Iba yung yung ruta mo, no? Yung ruta mo parang, I need help. Help me out here.
And then she's from Pampanga. Sabi ko, I haven't been to Pampanga. Pasyal man tayo doon. Gusto kong makita yung Nilahar. Gusto kong makita yung hometown mo. Kasi Nilahar yung hometown niya sa Pampanga. Kung makita. Gusto kong makatikim ng totoong Kapampangan food.
Mga Kanet 25, this is Pia Guanyo Mago. For more Kada Umaga updates, please click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook page. See you guys. Bye!